kit set up here in the small little studio. Got 2 overhead mics.
I've got one here that I really like. It's called the Octop MKO12. I got it off or 2 of them off eBay for about $160. So really, you can find some pretty decent mics for pretty cheap. I mean, I've seen these things used even in large professional setups. Software you could use, if you buy an inbox, you'll get a small version of Pro Tools for free. You could use Reaper, it's a shareware program. So mic placement for this is actually very simple. Here we're just using a basic stereo pair. We have AKG 414s, but again, you can use much cheaper mics. What I did is I just placed them over the kit, angling to cover most of it. You need to make sure that they're roughly an equal distance from whatever your main focal point is. Otherwise, you'll get into what's called phasing.
First beat. This next one is going to integrate some shaker. This time I'm going to use a little hat trick, just a little cymbal thing you can put on the hi-hat. Okay, so we got the audio files from the studio playing the drums, so let's go ahead and throw those grooves into Ableton. Like what I did for this song, Element, we're just going to start off with a little drum beat, a little loop going on, and then we'll bring in the song right on time. Okay, and if you want to, we can move over to the little deal we did with the hat trick, with the tambourine. There it is, we brought it in. And then the harder groove that we did right here can come in. And you really can just have a lot of fun with it. So it's a really powerful application, and just something as simple as setting up a room mic in your apartment and playing a quick groove with it, throw it into Ableton, put some audio effects on it and line it up. You have a really cool track to go play live with, or to put with a song. MIDI loops and tracks. In Ableton, you have this thing called the session view, in which columns represent instruments and the rows represent phrases of the song. First off, we have a few different intros, and then it moves to a verse, a pre-chorus, a chorus, and a bridge. All those are integrated. And also, we have the arrangement view. Just hitting tab will bring it over to there, and in that screenshot we see what we recorded. On the top row we have the audio, and moving down we have the different pads and pianos and beeps and all the cool things that go on there. Once you get familiar with this program, doing MIDI songs and loops is really easy, and there's tons of room for creativity. Ableton has all kinds of instruments and audio effects and MIDI effects for you to play with and toy with.
Wanna go, 'cause it means I have to throw this element